How to publish your Wix website. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open up the Wix Owner app and log in to your account. Once you do that, select the website that you want to publish using the Sites drop-down at the top center of the screen. From the menu toolbar, click on Site and App at the bottom left. Click on Edit from the Website section. And once you're here, click on Publish at the top right of the screen. Once you do that, your website will be published. And that's it. That's how to publish your Wix website. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.